Oh, you can feel the electricity in the air. The floor is shaking. The Brahma Bull is in the house.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 275 pounds, The Rock!
You know, we always say you never know who's going to show up inside the NXT arena, but I don't think anyone expected this man.
Think of all the members of the Rock's family that have competed in the Hallow Halls of NXT, from the Usos to Roman Reigns, now The Rock himself stepping foot inside the NXT ring. He's the trailblazing, eyebrow-raising phenomenon. The Great One, ready for action. This man is the powerhouse of the Hart family.
And his opponent from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
Neidhart has proven to be an elite level athlete in every arena he's entered.
When you think about powerhouses, you think about the Anvil.
Brute strength has made him a tag team legend.
Well, he's facing one of the most dominant competitors of the Attitude Era, The Rock.
Any era for that matter, Cole.
Jim Neidhart is an absolute powerhouse who won't let up until he has this match won.
The Anvil's unorthodox, unpredictable, and volatile. Make one mistake, and he'll blast your lights out.
Jim Neidhart only handles situations one way, with brute force.
And then you have the Great One, The Rock, who's taken all comers, faced every foe, climbed every mountain, and still reigns as the one and only People's Champion.
The Rock is a third-generation in-ring talent, but a once-in-a-lifetime superstar. Ooh.
Bullseye! It looks like he's stalking his prey. Only one thing in mind. Collar and elbow. Crafty move reverses the balance of power.
Oh, ouch!
Taken down instantly.
Oh my gosh! Ooh!
Stiff kick. Neidhart retaliates. Lariat. Good Lord.
That was nasty. Uh-oh.
Anvil got caught with a reversal. Swift clothesline out of nowhere. I can't imagine what is going through your mind when you're in the ring with The Rock.
The Rock might be one of the biggest names in the world, but now is certainly not the time to be starstruck. What you really got to do is bring the fight right to The Rock. That's not something the Great One is used to dealing with.
Reversal. And that turn.
You can feel the energy from the millions and millions all around the world. People's elbow. Can the Anvil come back from that?
There's two. Hangs on by a thread.
Oh, that was more than close. That was inches away from 3
millimeters. And guys, The Rock is not happy with that result. Thought it was over, but the kick out surprised him. Reversal. Well scouted.
Getting back to his feet, trying to fight on, but it might be too late.
the belly by the Great One.
Timely counter by Anvil. Has to find a way out of this.
And over the top into a rough landing.
No count out as he takes things out of the ring.
Working on the arm.
Very measured elbow drop. The Anvil. Over clutch.
I'm not sure how you get out of the $1 million dream. Well, I guess he just showed us how.
Oh, whipped right into the diamond-plated steel.
Climbing to the top turnbuckle now. From the top.
What? From up top, right onto the top. With the sharpshooter.
Trapping him in the submission, not looking. And he breaks his own submission.
Maybe his plan was just to soften his opponent with that hold.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now. He's looking to go high risk from the top rope. From the top rope. Nobody home. What an impact.
Scoreboard applied to put this one away.
He's on the ropes and the ref calls off the count. Gosh. What a forearm. Uh-oh, look at what are they going to do? Oh, right to the face.
Right to the back of the neck.
And again.
Enough. Double axe handle. Oof. Outrageous power by the Anvil. Running power slam.
No doubt the Anvil ended this. 2. Oh, and he just kicked out.
The Rock somehow got the shoulder up.
Yeah, but now comes the hard part. The Rock has to get himself back in this.
You got to imagine this match has a different complexion after what we just...
Flying.
Diving clothesline. Surely this match can't go on much longer.
At this point in the match, there's no time to recover. The damage is done.
There it is. Yes, rock bottom. Can the Anvil come back from that?
2. An exhausting victory, but a win nonetheless. Here is your winner, The Rock. And this one goes to The Rock.
The Anvil did not think his night would end up like this.